Hello everyone, my name is Sylvia. General MacArthur prayed for his son, build me a son, O Lord, who will be strong enough to know when he is weak, and brave enough to face himself when he is afraid, one who will be proud and unbending in honest defeat, and humble and gentle in victory. Build me a son whose wishes will not take the place of deeds, a son who will know thee, and that to know himself is the foundation stone of knowledge. Let him, I pray, not in the path of ease and comfort, but under the stress and spurt of difficulty and challenge. Here, let him learn to stand up in the storm. Here, let him learn compassion for those who fail. Thank you, everyone.